welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a last minute Valentine's makeup look. So if you need an easy, quick, still looks good makeup look last minute for Valentine's Day, then carry on watching the video because girl, I'm about to save your life. So first, we have this blush here that I'm going to be using as an eyeshadow, and it is going into the crease. So yeah, just rubbing that into the crease and making sure it gets to the end of the. Let's get closer. Make sure it gets to the end of the sellotape so that it gives this wing look to it. So with this, just make sure that you don't pack on too much, and so now we're gonna put the shimmery blush or any shimmery color that's pinkish, and putting that on our eyelids. And if you need more shimmer, don't be afraid to put more shimmer. I like glitter, so I put a lot more. And if that's not your thing, then put lace. It's all up to you. So now we are going in with this crusty palette from last time. We're going in with the white. And this is kind of the thing that's going to draw people into your eyes. Is out of all this pink, now you have this white wing, and also with this, don't be afraid to put more. If you want it more white, like I did, then don't be afraid to put more. And if you want it less white, then don't be afraid to put less. Also, just remember that this wing is made out of eyeshadow, so if it blends a little bit with the sparkles, that is okay, and that is fine. Unless you use an actual eyeliner that's white. And also put that waterline. I'm not really sure what that part of your eye is called, but we are using that on that part of the eye. So you can also put the shimmer on the inner corners of the eye. I think that also kind of adds the sparkles. And again, the same mascara from my last video, which will be linked up in the cards. The Maybelline mascara is the only one I have. And just put that on. You want nice big lashes. So now we are going to be using the blush as an actual blush. We think that it is useful. So you can put lace, you can put more. If blush isn't your thing, you don't have to put it on. But I personally like to look like a baby doll. So yeah, and this is just a shimmer stick. It's not really a highlight, as you can see. We're not professionals on this channel. So basically what I was trying to do here is create the illusion that this is some type of highlight as I'm trying to blend it into the blush. And so now we are doing our eyebrows. And we're going in with this, like, I don't know, gel kind of thing. And we're just going to be brushing our eyebrows, making them look decent. So this is the finished look. I just saved your life. I deserve a thank you.